Denise. Class 2 girls double champion from the Asa Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Athletics Championships last year, Shanoya Douglas, is beaming with confidence after wrapping up her first weekend of races for 2025 at Jamaica College. 2024 will be an unforgettable year for Mushet High School. After winning 2 gold medals minutes apart at the Asa Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Athletics Championships, leading that charge was Shanoya Douglas, who completed the 200-400 meter double for Class 2 girls. Her superb season then carried over to the Carifta and later the World Under-20 Championships, where she won bronze in the half-lap event. Now looking ahead to 2025, Douglas, who had a late end to the season, has already shown signs that she will be tough to beat after running a creditable 23.62 seconds at Sprint Fest on Friday.
To be here, it was very hard. After leaving Peru, coming back, I got a month rest, start back training, put in the work, working very hard day to day. Knowing that I'm doing my work is showing, I'm very, very, very pleased.
Now older and more experienced, Douglas is already ahead of where she was at this stage last season when she ran 24.16 seconds at the same venue. And after what happened in 2024, more eyes will no doubt be on her.
There's always pressure because living up to my coach standard and expectations, that itself is a standard that I need to uplift. So it's not really nothing to me. It's just like a little bit more push to show them that there is more to me than what they saw last season.
Douglas followed up her 23.62 seconds run on Friday with a 54.56 second performance over 400 meters a day later. She completed her weekend with an easy 11.56 second clocking in the 100 meters.
For the first in a very long time, actually get some little black start in the race, and that gave me a little push to finish the curve work, and I just carried the speed from that to the finish line, and for that I'm very pleased.
Douglas will return to Class 2 to defend her titles.